Have you ever looked around your home and felt like it no longer reflects the peace you deserve in this stage of life? If you're over 60 and your space feels more overwhelming than comforting, this message is for you. You've spent decades building memories, collecting things, and making your house a home. But now, the clutter can become more of a burden than a blessing. What if you could transform your space into a haven that supports rest, comfort, and joy in your golden years? It's not about perfection, it's about peace. Let's begin our journey together, step by step, to gently declutter and simplify your home. Not because you have to, but because you deserve a space that truly serves your life today. Picture your living room. Over the years, it may have become filled with items that once had meaning but now gather dust. Furniture, shelves, and tabletops crowded with trinkets, papers, and photos. While some pieces carry cherished memories, others may simply be reminders of tasks long overdue. Start with one shelf. Clear it off, clean it, and only put back the items that bring a smile or a sense of calm. You don't have to do everything in one day. Even a small change can bring instant relief. Next, let's walk into your kitchen, the heart of the home. It's a place of nourishment and love, but it can also be a magnet for clutter. Over time, we collect more gadgets, pots, mugs, and containers than we ever use. Ask yourself, do you need 3 toasters? 10 mismatched mugs? A shelf full of Tupperware with no lids? Choose your favorites, the ones you actually use. Donate or recycle the rest. A tidy kitchen can make cooking easier and more enjoyable, and it creates a safer, more open space for movement. Now think about the bedroom, your sanctuary. This space should invite rest and relaxation. Yet nightstands often overflow with old receipts, half-finished books, expired lotions, and tangled chargers. Start with the drawer. Empty it, sort through it, and only return what you truly need. Then move to your closet. Let go of clothing that no longer fits your lifestyle, your body, or your comfort. If you haven't worn it in a year, it may be time to pass it on. Keep pieces that make you feel good when you wear them. You're not just clearing space, you're honoring the present version of yourself. Let's talk about the bathroom. For many seniors, bending and reaching into crowded cabinets can be challenging. Clear out expired medications, old makeup, and half-used products. Create a system that keeps your daily items within easy reach. A simple basket or tray can work wonders. By simplifying your routine, you reduce stress and make every day feel a little more manageable. And when your bathroom is neat, it feels more like a spa, inviting you to take care of yourself in comfort. Paper clutter deserves special attention. Many of us have stacks of old bills, newspapers, instruction manuals, and greeting cards. Go through one pile at a time. Keep important documents, like medical records or legal papers, in a labeled folder or a digital file. Let go of old papers that no longer serve you. Shredding unnecessary documents can be surprisingly therapeutic. It's like telling yourself, I no longer need to carry this. Create a space for paperwork that is neat and accessible, especially for bills and health records. Now let's explore sentimental items. These are the hardest to let go of. Letters from loved ones, gifts from children, souvenirs from trips. The goal isn't to erase memories, but to honor them wisely. Choose a few items that truly warm your heart, and consider letting go of duplicates or items that no longer resonate. For photos, consider creating a digital album. It reduces clutter while making memories more accessible. If you're not ready to part with something, place it in a memory box and revisit it in a few months. Decluttering is a journey, not a race. Garage and storage spaces often become dumping grounds for forgotten items. Holiday decorations, tools, old paint cans, broken appliances. These spaces can be difficult to manage, especially if lifting or reaching is tough. Start small, one shelf or corner at a time. Ask for help with heavy items. Keep only what you need and use. Label boxes clearly and place frequently used items where you can reach them easily. A well-organized storage area saves time, reduces frustration, and improves safety. Let's not forget technology clutter. Old phones, chargers, cords, DVDs, and gadgets we no longer use can fill drawers and collect dust. Untangle that drawer of mystery cables. Keep only what works and what you use regularly. Donate or recycle responsibly. If you're unsure what something does, ask a tech-savvy friend or relative to help. You might be surprised how much mental clarity comes from letting go of digital and electronic clutter. The hallway is another area often overlooked. Shoes, coats, bags, and umbrellas tend to pile up near entrances. Create a welcoming entryway by placing a small bench, a few hooks, and a shoe rack. Keep only the essentials nearby. A tidy entrance sets the tone for your entire home. It tells your guests, and yourself, that this is a place of peace and order. Sometimes clutter hides in plain sight. The decorations on the walls, the shelves full of knickknacks, the crowded bookshelves. Take a walk through each room and look at it with fresh eyes. What feels soothing? What feels overwhelming? Try removing just one or two things. You might discover that less truly is more. When the eye has fewer things to focus on, the mind relaxes. Don't forget about digital clutter. Emails, notifications, apps you never use. Take a few minutes to unsubscribe from unwanted emails, delete old photos or apps, and organize your digital files. A cleaner phone or computer can improve your focus and reduce stress. It's like clearing a desk. You'll feel more in control and less overwhelmed. Now, a word about emotional clutter. Sometimes, we hold on to things not because we need them, but because they represent something we fear losing. A past role, a relationship, a version of ourselves. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means choosing to make space for what matters now. Talk to a friend, write in a journal, or simply sit with your feelings. This emotional work is just as valuable as cleaning a closet. If you feel resistance, that's okay. This is not about rushing. It's about creating a home that feels safe, calm, and aligned with your current needs. You've earned the right to feel at ease in your space. And with each drawer cleared, each item passed on, you're building a life that supports your next chapter, one of freedom, joy, and intention. So how do you start? With one small action. Clear off a table. Empty one drawer. Donate one item. These tiny choices build momentum. And with every step, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and more in control. Remember, your home is not a museum. It's a living space. It should serve you, support you, and bring you joy. This stage of life is precious. Let your environment reflect that. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We're here to support seniors like you in living more intentionally, joyfully, and comfortably. Share this video with a loved one who might be on the same journey. Together, we can create homes that uplift, empower, and inspire. Thank you for being here. You deserve a space that feels like peace. Let's make room for it, one kind decision at a time.